What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Trees. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I am about to do a product review or unboxing, whatever you want to call it. Little disclaimer, my bonnet's on. I just got done twisting my hair, so I decided to put my bonnet on, and then I went to the door. I seen I had a package. Sometimes I hate living in a house, and then other times I love living in a house. You know, it's like pros and cons of living in a house. Like, first of all, if you live in an apartment, they have a place where they put your packages, you know what I'm saying? And then you get a notice on your door saying, oh, there's a package, come get it. Because these people do not, they don't be knocking on the door. They just set your package down and anyone can just take it. You get what I'm saying? Like, I don't like that. But other times I like living in a house because you don't have to worry about anybody like living above you, you know. Or you don't have to worry about nobody's badass kid running and shit. So it's pros and cons, but let's just get back to the video. So my lips are nice and crusty for y'all. You see the crust? You see the crust? I made sure my lips were nice and crusty for y'all because I have some colors from Fenty Beauty. So my last Fenty Beauty, the last one I got was Sweet Mouth. My brother bought this for me last Christmas. Yeah, he bought this for me last Christmas and I've been using it. So it's almost gone, as you can see. I love Fenty Beauty stuff. So she came out with some new colors, so I decided to get them. So let's just, okay, the first one we're gonna try. Okay, wait. No, the heat ones are the Plumpers. I don't want to try the Plumpers just yet. I want to do the creams. Cream. Which one is this? Oh, cream. And this one is the heat. So I have two Plumpers. The heat ones are the Plumpers. And then I bought 3 creams. Hold on. Okay, so I have Fenty Glow, Mauve Wives, and Honey Waffles. So we're going to try Fenty Glow first. If I could open it. Okay. We're going to try Fenty Glow. Wait, what is this one? Fenty Glow? What the fuck? Okay, yeah, so this one is Fenty Glow. She's so pretty. I have my mirror right here. So let's just go. Come on. Really, ice cream truck? Ooh. I feel like this one is going to be my favorite. Did y'all see that? I feel like this one is going to be my favorite. Excuse my stomach growling. I enjoy how pink this made my lips. And this is just like one coat. I had a paper towel. Oh, and I'm not a beauty guru or any of that. These are like biker shorts. Okay, anyway, I have a paper towel here. Like I said, I'm not a beauty guru or none of that, but this is cute. I like this. And okay. So I'm just gonna wipe that off. Ooh, I hope my lips ain't raw after this. Okay, so the next one is Honey Waffles. Let's see what Honey Waffles talking about. nude. She's a nice brown. I don't know how this gonna look on my skin tone. Let's see. I don't know. Okay, mirror. Okay, she's a nice nude. Y'all wanna know a fun fact? I get complimented on my lips a lot. Like, especially if I have lip gloss on. I don't know. I feel like if I had like a liner, she would be my favorite. But I'm not mad. But I feel like if I had a liner, she would be my favorite. Okay. Okay, and that was Honey Waffles. Ugh. I hope my lips don't be raw after this. The next one is Mauve Wives. Maybe I should be using like a wet wipe. Okay, so this is Mauve Wives. Look at that. Ooh, I like this too. This is cute. I feel like I have like medium-sized lips. Not like too big, but not too small, you know? I feel like I have like medium lips. Are they medium or are they small? I don't know. I think this is cute. This is cute too. I like this. Okay, so the next ones are the Plumpers. I'm actually gonna get my wipes because I don't want that to like, I don't know. I'm scared. Okay, so I've never used a plumper ever in my life. So we're just gonna like, I need to like soothe my lips because that paper towel, that feels so much better. Okay. But the paper towel gets all the product off, so. But this soothes my lips. Ooh. And then I'm just gonna take this in. Okay, ice cream truck. Nobody's outside. So which one should I do? This is lemon lava and then this one is fussy. I'm gonna do lemon lava first. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. So this is Heat, and it's supposed to be like a plumper. I'm scared. Some people said it was like too tingly. Oh Lord. And my lips are already kind of, I don't need them to be more plump, do I? Okay, come on, come on. I don't feel nothing yet. Yeah, when I tell you I'm so scared, I don't want it to hurt. Ooh, it's a cute gloss. And you can see the gold specks. This is cute. I don't feel nothing yet. Should I wait and come back on? Okay, I'm gonna like go off camera and then come back on, and then I'll tell you if I feel anything, or if you see a difference, you can let me know. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. Do my lips look plumper, or do they look the same? I don't know, but I can feel the tingle, and I'm just not used to it. So like I said, I've never had a lip plumper, so yeah. But she's cute though. I like the it's like a gloss, but it has like the gold specks. I like this. I'm not sure if I like the plumping of it. Like I said, it's my first time, so yeah. All right. But why does that wet cloth feel so good on my lips though? Okay. And next, we're gonna try Fussy in Heat as well. Okay. We're gonna try Fussy in Heat as well and see. Oh Lord. Okay, so this is what Fussy looks like. It kind of looks like cream, but not really. As you can see, they're very similar. So this is Fussy. Okay. I'm kind of scared. I don't want to... Okay. I don't want it to tingle. Okay. Let's do... And I'm using like smaller coats as well. This is cute. I'm not gonna put 2 coats. I put 2 coats. That's probably why I was, you know, feeling like that. But 1 coat of this. This is cute. I like her. I'm just trying to prepare myself for the tingle. Like, okay, it's a slight tingle, but not like overpowering, you know? Okay. Fussy is cute. Fussy is cute. But I'm gonna wipe this off. And we're gonna stick with my OG because I still have more product left. So I'm not gonna use these until I finish that one. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Okay. That's that cooling cloth. This feels so good on our lips. Okay. Okay. Do my lips look plumper? Let me know. So we're just gonna use this is Sweet Mouth. It's an old one, but that's okay. Like I said, I still have some product left, so we're not gonna. And this is like the OG packaging. I'm sure y'all know. Okay, but cute. They all were cute. My favorite would have to be this one, Fenty Glow. Fenty Glow is definitely my favorite. Absolutely love this one. My second fave would have to be this one, the Mauve Wives. Honey Waffles comes next. And then we have Heat. And then the other Heat. Now, I don't know. I'm just not used to lip plumper. So, that's what's kind of like throwing me. But are they going to get used? Duh. The fuck? What? Oh, and then I have something else. Olaplex. I got all of these from Sephora. I believe the cream ones are like $21. And then the plumpers are like $24. But yeah. And then I got me some Olaplex number 3. My hair has really been flourishing with Olaplex, so I decided to get some Olaplex as well. So yeah. Alright, y'all, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed. What kind do you like, or do you use Fenty Beauty? I do. So let me know which ones you like, which ones you prefer, which ones you have tried. Do you like lip plumpers? Let me know, and I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.